What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Complex and I'm back with yet another YouTube banger. We're going to be doing Christmas specials in the month of December. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my page. Turn on those post notifications and make sure you put all so that you get notified when I do drop a new banger. It's a holiday season. I got the Christmas trees up. I got the presents. I got the stocking stuffers and the stockings. And I got these bangers for you guys. So again, like I said, if you're new to my channel, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the video. And comment your favorite emoji in the comments below. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of SixIce's 19mm diamond Cuban link prong bracelet. This is in rose gold, 14 karat PVD plated, just so you guys know. And it's going to be VVS simulated diamonds. So I reached out to SixIce with yet another collab and they responded. I got my item here in a few days and I was happy. If you're already new to my channel, or if you've already been a subscriber to my channel, I'm going to be doing these giveaways, okay? The last two videos that I did, you guys didn't reply to any of the giveaways. So I'm going to change it up. I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to give you guys some better giveaways. Both of these items are going to be from Shop GLD. I got this stainless steel chain. Okay, Shop GLD. This is a 20-inch, just so you guys can see it. All you got to do is either subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, all you got to do is leave a fire emoji in the comments below. And I will be doing this giveaway at the end of next week, okay? I'm also going to be giving away this baguette, okay? Gold chain from Shop GLD. Again, this is a 20-inch as well. I'm going to be giving this away. So if you're new, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a fire emoji in the comments below. If you're already new, or if you're already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you leave the comments below and I will be picking the winner at the end of next week. So with that being said, let's get into this unboxing. I got my handy dandy knife, a little bit dirty, but if you need to cut a bitch, this is what you need. Or if you need to cut up some boxes for some reviews, you gotta use this too. So we're gonna get into this unboxing. I haven't done a review for SixIce in I think probably a month and a half, 2 months. So I'm glad there's nothing in this box, okay? Let's get into this. So SixIce upgraded with the little paper that goes over the box, which you're gonna receive your item in. This is a little new. So this is their logo right there, okay? Gonna unbox that. Throw that out of here. All right, blam. Same box, nothing new, same style, same logo. Simple, nothing crazy. You pull it out, which I don't do because I got 2 kids. And here we go. So you're gonna get the pouch, which I love their pouch because it's retractable right here. Bam, bam, okay? Close it back up. So if you need to put your jewelry in here or you wanna stow it away, this is what you're gonna put it in. It's going to come in with the 3,000 monthly cash giveaway. So all you basically do, you post a video wearing their jewelry, you tag them, you gotta follow SixIce, and you gotta follow, you gotta use the hashtag SixIce Squad, and then they're gonna select 3 lucky winners for $1,000 giveaways. So make sure you guys check that out. Go to their page, subscribe, like them on Instagram, follow their Facebook. They always post a new content all the time. And Jordan, the CEO, has actually showed me some of the items that he's going to be releasing here shortly, which is pretty freaking dope, I must say. So if you guys want to use the code, which I got right here, whoever gets it, okay? I'm not about to specifically give this to somebody. Whoever gets this code gets it. So use SixIce Squad 10 right there. The bottom, SixIce Squad 10, and I believe it's $10 off your next purchase. So whoever gets it, kudos to you. Whoever doesn't get it, I'm sorry, you're late. Then you got your authenticity card. So you look right there. It's going to basically break down all the wears and tears, what you can do to replace your item if it does get damaged, wet, whatever. Whatever the case is, whatever happens to your item, if it gets broken, the latch breaks, the clasp breaks, you have a warranty card. So make sure you guys hang on to these because these are money. So we're gonna put this away in the box. Put that off to the side. And y'all already know, rose gold. Now I don't think any of my YouTube videos that I have put rose gold items on any things that I review. So this is my first time of me doing this unboxing for a rose gold plated item. And I'm gonna say it looks nice. And I will be giving this away. So it's gonna come in this. It just pops out like this, out of the sleeve, okay? And I think they upgraded, you know, the little styrene stuff that you gotta freaking undo and it takes forever. They actually changed it, which is actually good because they're listening to what you guys want them to do. So it's easier process for us to open these items and actually wear our stuff or just review the items in general. Overall, I am super happy with this. Okay, we're gonna bring this closer. Sorry. Y'all see it? Oh my goodness. And I will be doing a B-roll of this. Now this is an 8-inch. I got big wrists. I don't have small wrists. There's nothing on the back. Okay, no stamp. I believe his new chains that he's coming out with are good. Like I was saying before, the new bracelets and I believe the new chains that Jordan is coming out with and SixIce, the brand, is coming out with, they're gonna say SixIce on the clasp. So y'all see it? It's probably gonna have, it's gonna be stamped with SixIce. Now these are VVS simulated diamonds, okay? They're not real. They're not gonna pass the diamond tester. I feel like it's real stupid trying to pass the diamond tester knowing that these are simulated stones. They're not gonna pass. Now, if the company says that they're lab diamonds, then I can see somebody wanting to use a diamond tester on it. But to me, I'm not gonna waste my time doing a diamond tester on it knowing that these are CZ stones. They call them VVS simulated stones, okay? So if you guys look at this, boy, it is hitting. And I'm not one who likes rose gold at all. Okay? But damn. So we're gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it on these right here. Okay, roll these bad boys up. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Oh, actually, look at this. So this is a clasp right here, okay? Really good details. Really, really good details. The craftsmanship on these made pretty well. I hear a lot of people hating, talking about SixIce does drop shipping and all this other stuff. Like, y'all are dumb. Shut up. Y'all see it? Y'all see that watch? Fire. Okay? Hitting. Everywhere I go. Every angle. And the links are really close. They're pretty tight. But I love it. Let's take it off. Put it off to the side. So I will be doing this giveaway, guys. Make sure you guys check out this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comments below. And if you want to enter those giveaways, make sure you, one, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit me with a fire emoji in the comments below. I love all of you guys. I appreciate every single one of you subscribers. And the giveaways are going to be getting more and more better with the new subscribers that I get. We're close to 700. So if you guys can help me reach 800, I'd appreciate it. I want to monetize this channel. I want to bring you guys the best content that I could bring you. Again, I apologize for being absent, but I got some good reviews coming for you guys. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Tell your mama's friends about me. Tell your daddy's friends about me. Tell everybody. Share my channel. I appreciate it. I love every single one of you guys. And Complex is out.
Big boss Ross just took the top off. Packs in, so I'm passing the gas out. Young nigga getting paper on the cash route. Bitch got that ass and the extended mag out. Just drop a bomb like a nigga threw a frag out. Fucking on your mind, on your dad now. Middle finger, fuck nigga if you had